welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to try on this mascara. This mascara, it's also a mascara that come on the shopping channel. It's made in the USA and it's dial 10 extra large. So this is a mascara, you guys, here, and let's show you the one of the mascara. So this is the one. This mascara doesn't have a lot when you take it out of this. So I am going to show you how it look on my eyes, you guys. And this is like $32 on the shopping channel when it's not on sale. If it's on sale, you get it for a more cheaper price. So I am going to show you how this mascara work on my eyes. So this is one. So this is one application on my eyes. So if you are a person that don't like lash, this is a great mascara to have. So let's show you the other eyes. The first time I used this mascara, I was really amazed about the mascara. Like, you know, it's hard to sometimes get mascara to put on your lash and it clumpy or something. Look at this. This is so amazing. It's a beautiful mascara to have. So I am going to use two. I'm going to take off the little excesses of it. Two application on this eye. The one of the mascara, it doesn't have a bend, and it is a huge one, but it does work, you guys. It does work. So I'm gonna put on another application on my lash here. It is a quick dry for the mascara, but it doesn't hard to take off. It is really a quick dry. So you can see you get it underneath the lash and keep the lash in one place, but it look like it's more of a natural lash, like your lash is. You know, sometimes you put on false lash and they look very natural. This is how I had something on it. Okay, this is how my lash look after using 3 application. And you can use one if you want to. Suppose you have more of a more bigger lash than me. For some people has really nice lash, but as for me, I don't really have lash. And I try to buy so many mascara to fit in, and they always either clumpy or they don't give me any form of extension on my eyes. But this is nice. I really like this, you guys. And as I said, it's sell on its shopping channel. If it's on sale, you get it for a lesser price, but if it's not on sale, you can get it up to $30-something, or it can go up on the shopping channel. But I really like this, you guys. It's look really pretty good on my eyes. So if I do my makeup and I don't want to do a lash, this is something that I would turn to. So thank you for watching, my friend. And if you do not subscribe to my channel, go ahead, hit the red subscribe button. Also turn on notification. When I upload a video, you can be notified. Thanks again. God bless you, and I will see you in my next upload.